Welcome to my channel. Today, we're stepping into the world of pure performance with one of the most advanced production superbikes ever created, the Yamaha R1M 2026. This motorcycle is built for riders who demand cutting-edge technology, race-level engineering, and an unmatched connection to the track. The Yamaha R1M 2026 instantly stands out with its aggressive aerodynamic design. Carbon fiber fairings, sharp winglet-style bodywork, and a compact racing tail give the bike a true factory race machine appearance. Every line is designed for speed, stability, and precision, making the R1M look fast even when standing still. At the heart of the R1M is Yamaha's legendary 998cc CP4 crossplane inline-four engine. Derived directly from MotoGP technology, this engine delivers explosive acceleration, incredible throttle response, and a unique exhaust note that sets it apart from traditional inline-four engines. Power delivery is aggressive yet controlled, giving riders confidence to push harder on the track. What truly separates the R1M from standard superbikes is its advanced electronics and suspension. The bike features Öhlins electronically controlled suspension, which automatically adjusts damping in real time based on riding conditions. This allows the R1M to deliver maximum performance whether you're attacking corners or braking hard on a straight. Yamaha has equipped the R1M with a full suite of race-focused electronics, including an advanced IMU, traction control, slide control, wheelie control, launch control, engine brake management, and cornering ABS. These systems work together seamlessly to provide safety and performance without interfering with the riding experience. Handling on the Yamaha R1M 2026 is razor sharp. The lightweight aluminum Deltabox frame provides excellent rigidity and feedback, allowing the rider to feel every detail of the road or track surface. Steering is precise, stable, and confidence-inspiring, especially at high speeds. Braking performance is equally impressive. High-performance Brembo dual-disc brakes deliver powerful, consistent stopping force, allowing riders to brake later and harder with complete confidence. Combined with the advanced electronics, braking feels controlled and predictable even at extreme speeds. The cockpit of the R1M features a full-color TFT racing display, providing clear and customizable information. It keeps the rider focused on performance, lap times, and riding data, making it perfect for track use. Visually, the Yamaha R1M 2026 is a masterpiece. The exposed carbon fiber, premium finishes, and racing blue accents reflect Yamaha's commitment to excellence and motorsport heritage. It's not just a motorcycle, it's a statement of engineering and performance. In conclusion, the Yamaha R1M 2026 is a